Hello, everyone, and welcome. It's a beautiful day here at the log cabin. Still a bit cold, but there are signs that spring is almost here. I'm looking forward to those peaceful times on the front porch in my rocking chair, just looking out at the forest. Nature holds so much beauty, and there's nothing more beautiful than spring flowers. Nature's coming back to life, waking up from a long winter. I do live in an enchanted forest. I'm sure of it. And the proof that I live in an enchanted forest is that there are fairies all around me. Have you ever been inspired to create something from what you find in nature? I certainly have. Maybe make a basket from twigs, or use an acorn cap for a fairy hat. You could use moss to line a basket, or decorate a pine cone. Especially at Christmas, decorate the pine cone and then use it for some sort of decoration at Christmas time. This little fairy is getting a darling acorn cap for a hat. I just have to find the perfect one for her. This is the one. Look how cute. She loves it. The spring bulbs are pushing up through the soil. I love to see this. And my little dog is loving being outside again. Let's go discover through the forest. We have over 100 acres, so there is so much to discover, and there are paths everywhere here. I found a secret place today where the fairies were napping. I was very quiet and made sure I didn't disturb them. I found a tree that I felt was so special, and the fairies were living under it, kind of hidden up under the roots. It was amazing. I couldn't believe I found them. And then there was this tree. There was just something about the tree, and I just wanted to hug it and touch it. And then I looked around the other side, down at the base of the tree, and the fairies had made the most amazing bed out of moss, and they'd put little flowers all around them, and they were napping. So beautiful, so peaceful, so precious. This is my enchanted forest. It's another beautiful sunset from our cabin. So until next time, my friends, believe in the magic and the beauty of nature.